I just find a brand new side hustle no one is talking about, which you can make your first $100 online with this easiest method. So let's dive in. If you got to look on my screen right here, what you're going to see is ChatGPT, and over here is K2. And if you got to look at the other side, all this is active program. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the power of ChatGPT and this other side to make $5 per click and make passive income daily. Heading over to ChatGPT, what we're going to be doing is to ask ChatGPT to give us the top books in any niche of your choice. It could be food, fitness, business, anything you think of it. Since this channel is all about business, making money online, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 of the books within the business/finance. So boom, the chatbot have just given us 10 of top 10 books within the business/finance space. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is a book I just read recently, is a powerful book for anyone that's looking to achieve business goals. Now let me know in the comment section how many of you guys actually read in a week. So what we need to do is to copy one of the title, which is the first one on the top. You're going to take this to audible.com, created by Amazon. This platform allows individuals to check digital information from different books around the world in an audio format, spending hours reading books manually. Now what we need to is paste in our title we got from ChatGPT to see if this book is available or selling on Audible. You click right here, so as you can see, the Intelligent Investor is good to go. The review is quite better. And in a second, I'm going to show you how you can use this book from this platform to make money online. So stick your ass around, let's get this done. So what we're going to do, the next step, go back to ChatGPT and make sure all these books are available on Audible. Any books that is not available on Audible is not going to get monetized. Make sure you do it the exact same way and you will get the exact same results. Now the next thing you have to do right here is to monetize the list of this book. You simply ask ChatGPT to create a summary of this book, create 2,000 word summary of this book, and then you just kindly put in the name of your book on the list provided, and boom, the AI is going to do its magic and the summary of the book in 2,000 words. Now we're going to start this book that the AI just generated and get it monetized on this platform. I'm going to show you on the next step right now. And this next step is going to separate people that are going to subscribe and like this video to make their first $100 online, and the people that are going to make zero. It's the most important tutorial. Make sure you guys keep watching to the very end of this video. So now moving into step number 3 of this tutorial. Once you have your full AI generated summary from ChatGPT, you head over to this article quibo.com, and what this tool is going to do is to paraphrase your entire summary, so it's not going to get detected as AI content. The benefit using this tool is going to turn your AI content into original content, so you can get it monetized and make money from it. So go into my document where I paste what we got from ChatGPT. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take this section by section, paste it right here on Quibo, and watch the power of this board. You hit on paraphrase, you're going to see a couple of seconds, boom, it changed the whole style of the writing to avoid detection by AI. So once you get your text right here, you simply copy and paste into your Google Doc and do the same thing over right here, section by section, until you get this completed. Now from here, once you enter your summary / article has been written, what you're going to do is to go over to a platform called k2.com. This platform is an AI tool that helps you create similar artworks, images. This tool is really groundbreaking, and there is limitless amount of way you can make money online with this. So what you need to do is head over to K2, create a free account for yourself using your Google or Gmail. Once you have signal in, your dashboard should look similar like this. What you want to do is create a new project. It will take you to the next interface, and then you right click on the image generator. As explained to you before, K2 has the best image generator tool, which you can easily describe the image that you want to use for your book summary. For example, so we're going to need a feature image for this article. What you need to do is read the first paragraph and get to understand what the picture of the book is going to be all about. Now the image I have chosen is all about successful company and different strategies on how they can grow the business. Now after that, you head back to K2 and describe what type of image you want to use for your books. As you can see, he just generated the exact image you wanted. Then you adjust it to fit in the size of the box we have, and once that is done, you click on download, and we are going to download this as PNG or JPEG. All you have to do is head back to the headlines, you read the second paragraph and copy this, paste it over to K2 to get more images, so that the book is going to look more interesting and eye-catchy for people to read. Once they have read, they click into our affiliate link to enable us to make much money. That's going to take us into the next step. We are going to put in our affiliate link. I'll drive them into our Audible program, and this is how we're going to make money from this. I recommend you guys getting 4 or 5 images to make your article look more engaging, and the longer the user stays in your article, the more more money you begin to make. Alright, so let's dive into our last step. We have our articles/images. Now we need to monetize this by getting our affiliate links through these books. First, we have to go back to audible.com. All you have to do, you click right here, it will take you to the next interface. So we are going to use the power of affiliate marketing to make money with this article. So as you can see, this is a 3-step format. Step number 1, advertise, promote Audible through Amazon Associates. Step 2, drive traffic, drive visitors to amazon.com using Audible links. Step 3, make money when your visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon. And over here, Audible free trial is $5. What you need to do, you get someone to sign up for free. You will receive $5 instantly. You're not selling anything to anyone. What you need to do is give out value, and if they got to sign up for Audible Gold digital membership, you'll be rewarded with extra $10. All you have to do, you go over here, sign up, you click on it, you just have to put in your basic information, your traffic source, and in order to get traffic to our book, we are going to use medium.com. This is a great platform where millions of people visit every month. We are going to sign up, put in our link, paste in our article right here, and in this section we are going to add in our title and the book summary. Once you have everything right here, you click to add in your images you got from K2. You see everything is looking interesting. Once you're done with that, you look forward to putting your affiliate links. Whenever you put in your affiliate links, you add the call to action. Click here to get a free summary of this book. You highlight it to look very bold so that it's going to stand out. Like I said, once they click on this link, you're going to make $5 per click. So that's it, guys. We have come to the end of this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you got enough value from this video. See you in my next video. Boom.